Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna talk about parallelogram. So first we need to understand what is a parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral. So it have four sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4, with opposite sides having same length. So it means if this side is 3, this will also be 3. These two are opposite side and they will have the same length. Similarly, these two will also have same length. So for example, this is 10, then how much will be this? This will also be 10. So these two will be same and will have the same length. So this is just an example. For example, if they are, let's say, if this side is, let's say, 5, how much will be this? Just pause the video and say the answer. And if this side is 12, then how much will be this? So that is a parallelogram. Now we have a formula to find the area of a parallelogram. So we call this as base, okay, or you call it as a length, no problem. And this is the height, okay, a perpendicular distance from here. What does it mean, perpendicular distance? It should make a 90-degree angle. Okay, this is called height. So we have three keywords. One is parallelogram, and then you have a base and height. So what will be the area? Area is equal base multiply height. This is your formula to find the area of a parallelogram. In the short form you will write is as A equal B times H. This dot here means multiplication, times. Okay, so for example, if I say, let's say this height is 3 centimeter and the base is 7 centimeter, then the area will be 3 centimeter times 7 centimeter, and this will give you 7 times 21. 7 times 3 is 21 centimeter square. So that is your area. Okay, let's try to find using some other example. Okay, let me go. Okay, so here you have one more figure. In this figure, do you see any parallelogram? So you have 1, 2 and 3. You have three figures. Do you see any parallelogram in this one? So figure number 2 is a parallelogram. So Parallelogram. This is the spelling, so please do the practice and remember the spelling also. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Now figure 2. Now in this one, let's say the base is 10 meter and I'm giving you height as 5 meter. So pause the video and find the area of a parallelogram. Now you can skip and try by yourself. Okay, so the base is 10. Okay, 1 second. Okay, now it's connected back. Okay, good. 1 second, it's getting disconnected. Yes. Okay, this is 10 meter in this case, and here it is 5 meter. So this is 10 times 5 will give you 50, and the unit is meter square. So I hope you got your answers. Let's try one more example. Okay, in this example you can see few strips and you can see two cars here. So these cars will come and park in these strips, right? So we need to find the area for these strips. So let's say I'm giving you the base here 2 meter and this is 10 meter for this strip. Now for another strip I'm giving you, this is 3 meter Now how much will be this? As you can see, these all are parallel. So if this is 10, this will also be 10, this will also be 10. So they all are 10 because they all are parallel. Now you can see this distance is not same. Here this is different, this is different, this is also different, different and different. So I'm asking you only for strip number 1 and strip number 2. So let's try. So area for strip number 1 is base times height. Base is 2 times 10 will give you 20 meter square. Now area for strip 2 will be 3 times 10 will give you 30 meter square. I hope you got the right answer. Now let's try one last question. Okay, in this question you have a figure. In this figure you have a rectangle given. So this shape is a rectangle, I hope you know that, and this is your parallelogram, right? So now in this case the height for one side for the rectangle is 10 meter, and let's say this is 15 meter, and now this is, let's say, 6, and here the height is, let's say, 3. Now I'm asking you the area of the shaded region, basically the area of this one. The shaded region means this one, okay? Or you can say the between area of rectangle and a parallelogram, okay? So how we will find this one? Now first of all we need to find the area of a rectangle. So area of rectangle, it is base multiply height, or you call it as length side 1 multiply side 2, okay? So this, in this case, the base is 15 and the height is 10. So this will give you 150 meter square. Now area of a parallelogram there is again base multiply height. So in this case the base is 6 and the height is 3. So this will give you 18 meter square. Now we need to find the shaded region, so that will be area of rectangle minus area of parallelogram. 150 is the area of rectangle minus area of parallelogram is 18. You do the difference and you will get 132 meter square, and that will be the area of the shaded region, or between area of rectangle and a parallelogram. That's it for this video. Thank you.